Alright, here we go. Doing another 2x flower test in 4570, this time with the Hornady LEVErevolution rounds. And that is a 325 grain FTX. And here we go, at about 50 yards, gonna shoot and see what kind of expansion we got going on. Alright, here we go. Got another one we're doing here for y'all. This is called the 2x flower. And what we got is a 2x6 going through the flower. Just seeing what it does when it expands and the flower hits the 2x4. And kind of curious how many jugs it's going to go through, and seeing the expansion on it, and you know what kind of hole is in the 2x6. 2x flower test. This is the 4570 LEVErevolution. We are about 50 yards, again, flower, board, 2x6, and then catching the water and seeing how it does. Alright, here we go. 4570. This is a 2x flower using the Hornady LEVErevolution round. Again, these are spiraling out at 2,000 feet per second. Not too shabby for a big damn bullet. And there's a pretty box that it comes with. And here you go, as you can see the hole. It actually went through the flower, blew the flower up. We did catch the bullet. Right there we are. You can see the scrapes in the wood. And it came out with enough thump. Did not puncture the jug behind it, but it did put a ding in it. Right there. Let me zoom out so y'all can see the ding. Yeah, I'll kind of turn it so you can see the ding there. A little better. But there we go. And we did find the nipple. Yay. And that's what we got going inside. There's, as you're looking, and as we open her up, that is going through. And this one, again, it was just right off to the ground. I looked down and it was fortunately left right there on top. That is a pretty wicked channel going on. Shockwave channel, almost 1.5 inches. Initial. This is after. This is because it expanded in the flower. Remember that. .14, and there you go. Let's see what we got on bullet. 0.67. There you go. And what do we got on these? These are 0.44. Alright. Not too shabby for the bullet. Here's the backside. That going through like that. Whooshka. Not too bad. Thanks for watching.